Hi, girls. Okay, so weather maps. Most of you should know this when you studied Hurricane Katrina, either this year or last year. But just as a quick review, in case you see these in exams, weather maps. You can either have high, low, or a tropical storm. If you have a high, on weather maps, you'll see an H. H represents an area of high pressure. High pressure means it's bringing good weather. So high pressure, represented by an H, means good weather. Now, these might look a lot like contour lines that we just looked at, but in fact, they're not. They represent the strength of the wind. The further the lines are apart, the gentler or the weaker the winds are. So in a high system here, you see the circle isobars are called. The further they're spread apart, the weaker the wind. In this low pressure system, and we know it's low because it's represented by an L. We also know that, see these numbers, they're quite low. Anything below 1,000 would be classified as low pressure, and low pressure brings bad weather. Low pressure brings bad weather. And here we can see the isobars are a little closer together, which means the winds are faster and stronger. And finally, if there's a T, it means it's a tropical storm or tropical depression. And the isobars are really, really close together, which means the winds are really, really strong. So you should be able to know and look at a map. And I suggest check your newspaper or go online every day. Look at the weather maps and try and figure out, are winds strong or weak? Is it high pressure or low pressure? The more you look at those in practice, the better you'll be able to understand it. But it's fairly simple. If you have questions, come and ask me.